Boost your sex appeal. Sex appeal encompasses physical and non-physical allure, characteristics that make a person attractive. No matter your age, you have the ability to enhance this attractiveness. There is no single beauty standard out there. Everyone has unique charm. While physical outlook is somewhat important, your personality plays a larger role in amping up your attractiveness. We are about to delete all the negative interpretations and perceptions you have of yourself, your physical attributes, intelligence, personality, and your features. We are going to discard all the negative interpretations you have of yourself, the ones drawn by others, whether you are aware or not. We are wiping out every instance where you were told, or perhaps you told yourself, that you do not look good enough or appealing. We are deleting every ounce of embarrassment you have felt about your looks, your demeanor, your speech, or your place of living. We're erasing 100% of all such past instances in entirety, along with the accumulated impact, for nothing dents your appeal more than feeling embarrassed of yourself. We are set to disentangle emotions, sensations, and responses at a personal level with all the possible combinations. We erase the accumulated effect of emotional instability, the lack of emotional autonomy. We proceed with the erasure of emotional self-ignorance and emotional self-disconnection. By using remnants, vestiges, impressions, and traces from this life and others, we work towards this. Because a person with stable, regulated emotions that appropriately match the intensity of the circumstances is very attractive to others. We are going to bolster your strong security so that you can recall, feel, and project the energy of everything you have done well, what you've spoken well, what you have succeeded at, what you can achieve, what you truly are, what makes you feel proud of yourself. 100% strong with infinite potential. 100% of the time with infinite time, strong to change the narrative of your past. Powerful to rise against the negative experiences. Strong to leave behind victimhood, grumbling, criticism, judgment, accusation, and reproach, because this completely nullifies the appeal. 100% strong with infinite potential, 100% of the time with infinite time, strong to have the appropriate tone of voice at the right moments, with the right fit to pay attention to it, strong to make it a regular part of you, strengthening your gaze to project assurance in you, to project certainty and strong self-belief, strengthening your gestures so they are consistent with your emotions, your desires, and your words. We erase the energy of unconscious gestures of anger, frustration, boredom, dissatisfaction, and everything else that is debilitating and you haven't realized you've been projecting. Strong to consciously and voluntarily choose your gestures. Strong to smile, to show your teeth, strong to relax your face, your features, and your gestures. 100% strong with infinite potential. 100% of the time with infinite time. Strong for your body posture to project security. Standing, sitting, or walking strongly, maintaining a straight back and taking firm steps, always at full strength with limitless potential. Continually, we are going to erase the diminishing energy that comes from our ancestors, the feelings of being inferior, inadequate, unfortunate, or clumsy. We nullify these ancestral convictions at absolute zero all the time with a powerful, finite time to eliminate any self-criticism, self-judgment, and self-mockery, as well as all weaknesses. with the way you treat yourself, with the way you express yourself, and with the way you present yourself to the world, strong to consciously and unconsciously think, feel, speak, and transmit from the absolute conviction that you are special, that you are important, that you are an adequate, deserving, sufficient, and worthy person. Strong to accept, admit, and acknowledge that others treat you as you treat yourself. Strong to accept, admit, and recognize that what you think of yourself, others perceive. And if you think you're not attractive, others will think the same of you. Strong 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time with infinite time. Strong to laugh at yourself, at life, at circumstances. Strong to relax and let go of self-demanding, to let go of the fear of rejection. Strong to laugh at the things you can't do, that don't come out, and that you don't achieve. Strong to try to do it and to achieve it as many times as necessary. Strengthen your right and left hemispheres. We balance them and erase the weaknesses of each so that they're centered, balanced, and stable. Be strong in persistence, constancy, perseverance with what you want, desire, and need. Because mediocre people aren't attractive. Stay strong with an infinite potential, 100% of the time with infinite time. Be firm in speaking assertively, directly, genuinely, and without the need to pretend, dissimulate, or omit. We erase the fear of rejection, criticism, judgment, mockery, and all the memories of it from both your ancestors and your own, from this and other lives. To zero minus infinity, 100% of the time with infinite time. Take good care of your physical appearance, your neatness, your smell, the way you present yourself to the world. Try new styles, new shapes, new colors, new fashions. Be strong to reinvent, renew, and rejuvenate yourself with what you have and can right now. Strong to want, desire, and need to look better, feel better at 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time with infinite time. Strong to groom yourself every day without the need for special reasons. Strong to always be a person who smells good, who looks good, who acts well, who speaks well, who thinks well, even in solitude. Strong to have defined tastes. Strong to have passions, hobbies, interests, and take care of them. Strong to generate happiness through them. Strong to have an interesting life, a life in which you help others, in which there is spiritual, intellectual, economic growth. Strong to create an attractive life for other people so that anyone is interested in integrating at 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time with infinite time. Because a boring person who has nothing to do and who cannot be alone repels anyone. Strong to shape your life as you desire with empowering habits, ones that make you feel proud, provide you with conviction and self-confidence, security, strength, health, and habits that boost your income. Strong 100% with limitless potential, 100% of time with infinite time. Strong to appreciate yourself, to respect yourself, to look after yourself, to take care of yourself, to indulge in self-care, to enjoy yourself. Strong to transmit this to others, to connect with people who treat you the same way. Strong to be who you are. We are going to remove the accumulated effect of this life and past lives, of living by disguising, hiding, deceiving, acting, pretending, because this causes distrust in others. We erase it to zero minus infinity, 100% of the time with infinite time. Strong to have a positive and relaxed attitude. Strong to trust in life, trust in yourself, trust in your causality. Strong to be aware of your qualities and your defects, to maintain a balance between your light and dark sides. Strong to strive for daily self-reflection, that increases your self-assurance. We'll eliminate verbal and nonverbal expressions of being defensive because that's not attractive. We erase the irrational fear of not being accepted, validated, or recognized because this fear causes people to make several mistakes that drive people away. We delete it to 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time with infinite time. Strong security in your body, in your mind, and in your spirit. Strong to maintain the dignified gaze, a gaze of courage and security. Strong to communicate confidently with kindness and with respect. Strong yet indifferent to what others think about you, whether you view it as positive or negative. Strong to recognize, cultivate, and transmit those outstanding qualities in you that overshadow any weaknesses. Strong to be authentic to yourself and to other people. Strong to eliminate the fear of rejection, criticism, or judgment. Strong enough to listen attentively without judgment, without criticism, without offering advice or solutions no one asked you for. Strong enough to simply listen and appreciate what others confide in you. Strong enough to understand others, even through their unspoken movements, their words, and their actions. Strong enough to give and receive. Strong enough to be generous, to trust in your abundance, to give without demanding something in return. Because a stingy or abusive person repels anyone. Strong enough to leave a pleasant memory in those who come into contact with you. Strong enough to connect from your higher self with other people and allow other people to connect with your higher self. Strong enough to give others affection, support, recognition, knowledge, inspiration, pleasure, and understanding. Let's eliminate the misconception that you have to receive before you can give. Let's remove the accumulated effect of having limited yourself in this way because of this belief. At negative infinity of 100% of the time with infinite time. Strong to convey security with your nonverbal language. Strong for your words to be kind, compassionate, and respectful. Strong to talk about intelligent, emotional, joyful things. Let's erase the cumulative effect of sharing fear, drama, tragedy, suffering, lack, limitation, betrayal with others. We delete it at negative infinity of 100% of the time with infinite time. Strong to increase your mental intelligence, your physical intelligence, and your spiritual intelligence. Strong to have a passion for learning about life. Strong to have ambition. Strong to have creativity. And strong to have the ability to communicate with other people. Strong to choose to be happy with simple, accessible, and everyday things because a happy person is very attractive. Be strong to be financially, emotionally, spiritually self-sufficient because dependent people are doomed to toxic relationships. Be strong to choose your own style from your own taste regardless of other people's opinions. Be strong to feel, express, and constantly transmit gratitude because everyone likes grateful people and we all dislike ungrateful people. Be strong to do things that inspire others, that motivate other people, that guide. Be strong to see the beautiful things in life, to talk about the beautiful things in life, to feel the beautiful things in life, and to hold on to the beautiful things in life. Be strong to help others in an altruistic way, to contact the energy of generosity, abundance, and love. Be strong so that you feel the same and not the same, different, not different, change, not change, perception, not perception. Be strong for everything positive, not positive, negative, not negative. Be strong and neutral to have sex appeal and not to have it, to have a lot, not much, a little, not a little, or nothing. Be strong so that you shift quickly, not quickly, slowly, not slowly, neutral. We strengthen the internal and external dynamics, internal and external limits, and vertices 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time with infinite time. Reset, recalibrate, reprogram, rejuvenate, and readjust your body, mind, and spirit. How are you feeling? Same or different?